All right, it took a lot more work getting this on there than I anticipated. I had to glue and screw on 4 pieces of wood so far. I might put another one here, like from here to here. I think I have some wood that's slightly bowed. Oh, the budgies are really enjoying this album I bought at the Goodwill store, The Best of Peter, Paul, and Mary, 10 years together. We've been singing away, listening to I Dig Rock and Roll Music. All right, this is on the bottom left, the bass. It's kind of at the lower left corner of the memorial portrait of Officer Johns. A candlestick holder, like metal, it's in the piece of wood, the shape of a bird, which I glued and also screwed on there. All right, it's coming along here. Good singing, budgies. Really good. I got camera shy. Come on, let's hear it for the audience. Oh well, preening time. That's like when birds clean their feathers. All right, there you have it for now. July 21st, 2021, Wednesday, early evening here. There they go.